In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Progressive insurance. If you're planning to cancel your Progressive insurance policy, it's important to do it carefully so you don't run into unexpected fees, billing issues, or a gap in coverage. The process is usually straightforward, but taking a few minutes to prepare can make everything much easier. First, go to Progressive and review your current policy. Before you cancel anything, take a close look at the cancellation terms, your renewal date, and whether any fees or refunds may apply. This helps you understand exactly what to expect. For example, depending on when you cancel, you may owe a final premium, or you may be entitled to a refund for unused coverage. If you're switching to a different insurance company, make sure you purchase your new policy first if needed. This step is very important because you want your new coverage to begin before your Progressive policy ends. That way, you avoid any lapse in coverage, which can create legal and financial problems, especially if you drive regularly or have an active vehicle registration tied to insurance requirements. Once you're ready, contact Progressive. You can do this by calling customer service or reaching out to your insurance agent to request the cancellation. In some situations, you may also be able to cancel through your online account if that option is available. If you prefer a faster and clearer process, speaking directly with a representative can be helpful, especially if you have questions about timing or billing. When you contact them, be ready to provide your policy information. You'll likely need to verify your identity, share your policy number, and give your preferred cancellation date. Having these details ready before you start can save time and help the request go smoothly. Next, confirm the cancellation details. Before the cancellation is finalized, ask whether there is any final premium due, whether you'll receive a refund, and whether any documents are required. This is a good moment to clear up anything you're unsure about so there are no surprises after the policy ends. After that, request written confirmation. Ask for an email or letter confirming that your policy has been canceled, and make sure the effective cancellation date is clearly listed. Keeping this confirmation for your records is a smart idea in case you ever need proof that the policy was ended. Finally, verify the cancellation. Check your account or follow up with Progressive